Alright guys, I had I had recorded this video before when as at the time I was taking the entry, but it has no sound, so I'm re-recording it because I took this entry over at around 9 p.m. GMT plus 2 last night. In the morning TP was hit, so I just wanted to share how I did it on gold. Okay, you can see that when you go to H4. Oh, let me remove everything here, remove. Okay, and then go to this side, identify the base. This is the base that we used. Okay, bullish engulfing candle as clearly as, let me turn this thing like that. Okay, what is it doing now? Turn it like that, turn it like that. Okay. But as you can see, this is a bullish engulfing candle. This is exactly where the market was at. With phone is a little bit difficult to show because, yeah, but you can see clearly that this is a bullish engulfing candle area where the market is at here. Okay, at 4 hours, that is our base. And then the market came here at this zone. Okay, what did happen when the market come here? What happened? Let me try to turn it the other way around. Now we have established that we have a base at 4 hours. So we go to 1 hour, and at 1 hour, what did we see? For the sake of I wanted to say for the sake of the recording, let's remove this so that we make, but no, that's not a problem. The market came into the base with this candle, was heavily rejected, as you can see with the hammer here, and then this next candle, as you can see. Then this one became a, you can see it didn't cross here, but this one shot up, breaking everything and closing above. It becomes our CB1 candle. By now you know that I am a base entry trader. I pull my Fibo. So it came here and then it dropped down. When it got around entry 0, I entered. It went here, went back to this. I was in drawdown when it came here, and then from here it now shot straight to TP. And then in the morning, because I entered around 21 past 9 in the morning, I'm out of the market. I just found that I'm out of the market. I'll just put the thumbnail of when I entered. Yeah, so that I I don't know if I took the screenshot of because I only found out that I was already out of the market when I woke up. It hit TP, so I didn't have the chance to take a screenshot when it was approaching TP. But I have the one for the entry and this one here. Like, as you can see, it couldn't hit the stop loss. It just returned from here. The SL is behind this week, so no way. So guys, that's the base entry strategy again at work again. Let me repeat what I just said. We marked here the 4-hour base here. This is a bullish engulfing candle. This is a very special candle, very special in supply and demand. And I don't trade supply and demand without an engulfing candle. It's very special. So I came here when the market returned here to the zone. I was very happy. I was waiting, and I came to 1 hour. I saw that the market was struggling to pass here, and suddenly this one broke. And with this coming candle backward, I entered. It allowed me to enter, especially when this one continued to entry zero. I entered, and it went up into profit when I was asleep. It's just that this is a black and white. So in this region, anything you see green is red. Anything you see red is green. So actually this is a bull. These are bulls and bears. So it went a bit into profit when I was going to sleep, and then with this candle it came down, and I was in drawdown, as you can see. But then it couldn't reach my stop loss, which is behind this, and then it shot straight to TP. In the morning when I woke up, as you can see, this recording was recorded this morning. I had taken TP. I had already recorded the analysis yesterday when I entered. Unfortunately, somehow it had no voice. I don't know what happened. I tried to play it. I don't hear the voice, the explanations. So I had to redo it again after. But I think that it is a little bit clearer, the base entry strategy, guys. As I always say, don't joke with this thing. Don't joke with this thing. Practice it, backtest it. It works. Okay? So you can see it hit my TP without problem. There is someone who asked me about how I place my Fibonacci levels. Okay, let me briefly explain them. Okay, let me put it the way I put it. As you can see, the close of the body of the breakout candle, or the CB1, that's where I pull my fib. I call it breakout. And that, for you, it will be like level 100 or something, or 1. Sorry, it will be like 1, I believe. 1 or 100%, whatever you call it. Then this is 0, and behind 0 is my stop loss. Then this is 1.618. 1.618. This is what do you call it? 1.786. 0.5. The others are labeled 32, 0.382, like, and so on. 1.618, 2.618. This one I don't use very often, so you don't need to know it. Just know this one and this one. That's important. And this one, and to pull from this one and this one. And the one you need to know is 50%. The rest you don't need to. Okay? So that's it with the Fibo. And I think the entry has been explained again one last time. For our, let me close, you can see I use this strategy a lot. For our base buy, bullish engulfing candle at 4 hours, and the zone marked. Actually I had done this on TradingView, so unfortunately the video has no voice sound. I don't know why. And so here market comes back to the zone, and that is where I become very attentive. I look at this, it fails to break, and then it stalls here, and then I'm in a hammer, a doji, and then this candle breaks out. I took my Fibo here to look for entry, came back beautifully, triggering my entry 0, and then up we went. But it still came back here to cause drawdown, and then TP right away. When I wake up now, we had hit TP. I was out of the market in profit. The account was about almost doubled. So because this entry is the kind that we call full margin, because it's usually that kind will have the full margin one will have a setup like this one, whereby the candles are so small like that, where it can't cross, and then all of a sudden the CB1 candle becomes large like this. It's full margin. So that's why my entry was a bit aggressive. Not the entry, but the lots were a bit aggressive, because it's the full margin setup for the strategy. And then I knew there's no way it cannot hit TP. That's why they call it full margin. So I entered full margin, wake up, TP done. Simple as that. And the account doubled, almost doubled. Yeah. Or was it? No, it wasn't doubled per se, almost doubled per se, but something close to that. Yeah, something close to that. Yeah. Alright, guys. Just remember, Jesus Christ is Lord. Comment, subscribe, ask questions, and I will do my best to respond. Basically, that's it. Bye.